probability distribution of a thermometer in gas of ice water is given here for the values -1 to 1. And we want to find the probability that the value is greater than 0. So we take the integral from 0 to 1 of the equation given here, which solves into 3 over 4x times minus 3 over 4 times x to the third over 3. And we evaluate that from 0 to 1, which gives us 3 over 4 minus 3 over 12, which is 1/4, which turns into, which evaluates out to 1/2. So the probability that f of x is greater than 0 is 1/2. Next, we want to find the mean of this distribution. So we take the integral across the entire distribution, which is -1 to 1, solves into the same equation, 3 over 4x minus 3 over 4x to the third over 3. Evaluate that from -1 to 1. We end up with 3 over 4 minus 1/4 minus -3 over 4 minus -1/4, which gives us 0. And lastly, we want to find the median of this distribution. So we're going to take the integral from -1 to some value where the entire curve under that value will be equal to 0.5. So we solve out for 3 over 4x minus, we solve out again for the regular 3 over 4x minus, that's fourth. Can't find my marker. So evaluate that from -1 to x, you end up with 3 over 4x minus 1 over 4x to the third, plus 3 over 4 minus 1/4. Plus 3 over 4 minus 1/4 solves into 1/2, and all of that's going to be equal to 0.5. But the plus 3 over 4 minus 1/4 solves into 1/2, which, to subtract to both sides, ends up with a 0. You end up with a 0 on this side with just the 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4 to x to the third. 3 over 4x minus 1 over 4x to the third on the other side. You can multiply both sides by 4 to get rid of this over 4, so you end up with 3x minus x to the third equals 0, 3x equals x to the third, 3 equals x squared, and x equals plus or minus the square root of 3.